Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating.
Good morning, you guys. Let me explain myself. So I'm back at school. I really haven't filmed many videos. I filmed a move-in day video. The past 4 videos that I filmed before I came to school, because I was pre-filming and I put so much time and effort into these videos, are all on this card that I can't upload the footage to my computer. So I've been trying to figure it out, but that's basically where I've been. All of the videos that I had planned to upload within this time period are on that disc. If you guys want me to still upload those videos, I really want to, but it's gonna be all out of order and like really late. Anyways, hi, I'm at school. I wanted to bring you guys into my apartment this morning for a weekend morning in my life. Nothing is planned. This is going to be as real as it gets, ladies and gents. It is is it a Friday or a Saturday? It's a Saturday. We have like a tailgate / darty thing going on. So I'm gonna show you kind of my routine, what I get up to. My room is a disaster from like Thursday and Friday night. So cleaning that up, what I'm gonna have for breakfast, the whole 9 yards. I'm really excited to be working with UGG for this video. They have some great back to school items that I'm super stoked to show you what I picked up, and I'm gonna link some of my other favorite items down below. But yeah, I just wanted this to be a chill video, explain where I'm at. Yeah. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you my messy room. It is currently 9:20. All of my roommates are asleep. They're probably gonna wake up at like 12. It looks like it's a pretty sunny, beautiful day today. I'm really embarrassed to show you guys my room. This is honestly the worst that it's been this entire year, but I'm just gonna show you because we're gonna clean it up and make it look beautiful. This is what we're dealing with right now. I did have to shoot some like content for brands in here, hence why my rug is folded in half. Doesn't make the whole area look any better, but I'm gonna set you guys down and we're gonna have this organizing moment. Okay, here's our little before moment. Okay, I'm done cleaning. That took like a solid 30 minutes, but it was like a deep clean and organize. There are some things that I'm definitely gonna be changing in my room, like these posters I have to figure out. I think I'm gonna get a new rug and put that one out in our common area because we don't have one out there. A few differences, those will all be in the apartment tour, but I figured we could do our little UGG unboxing now. So I got to pick these out. UGG actually has a lot of amazing new styles that don't use sheepskin if you are vegan or cruelty free, and they actually have another link. I'm gonna leave it down below because it was helpful for me to see about their policies with animal cruelty, etc. I was honestly really impressed with them. But I still wanted to show you guys what you could get without getting sheepskin products. And I'm so in love with these sneakers. I think these are so amazing. They have the little UGG detail, but it's still kind of subtle. But the colors are sick. I don't own any sneakers that have this like serious color detailing. For classes, they're really easy to throw on. Even with like leggings or something, you can definitely dress these up or down, but I'm really excited to wear these and show you guys my look today. If you're in college, you know this. It is so important to have like a staple sneaker that when you're running out the door, you can just throw them on. And I feel like these are perfect because they're not basic, but they're not like insane. Like I feel like I could wear these every day. Yay. I'm gonna just straighten my hair. I'm gonna show you the straightener I use because I love it and it's $30 and I am obsessed with Remington straighteners, so I'm gonna show you. I use the Remington Wet to Straight. I never use it on wet hair, but I really like the thicker like barrels or whatever you wanna call these. This just does the job. I put it up to 30. So after I straighten my hair, the next thing that I like to do semi-regularly is fake tan. For my face, I like to use this. It's the Bondi Sands Liquid Gold. It's not really for your face, so if you have sensitive skin, I wouldn't necessarily recommend it. I like using Bondi Sands for my face and Loving Tan for my body. Okay, next up in my morning routine on the weekend is figuring out what the heck I'm gonna wear. I always change like 4 times every day at college because I do a range of activities. But right now I'm gonna go over to my friend Hannah's apartment, but I wanna just look put together and I also wanna style my Uggs because I don't wanna ruin them at this like party later, but I really wanna wear them and show you my little campus style in them. Ooh, this could be cute. Or we could go really simple with the white long sleeve brandy. Oh, you guys are completely crooked. This could be funky fresh, I feel like. Okay guys, don't fret, but I hate this outfit. This is usually what happens. I'm not gonna lie, this is what I was trying to avoid, but I guess we're just gonna keep it real. This is literally just what I wear on a daily basis. Some sweats, white shirt, and it looks really good with these sneakers. Just left my apartment. I'm really awkward. I don't want people to see me. I'm currently walking over to Hannah's apartment. Look at me being bold. I made it to Hanny's.
Is this like a vlog?
Yeah. Okay, I'm with Hannah and our special secretive guest. And we're going to Starbucks and then we just ordered in some food. If you guys go to other schools, let me know if you guys always have to wait like 45 minutes for breakfast at diners, because even though there's like 12 in Syracuse, we always have to wait a really long time. So
Relatable question.
Pro tip, we called it in caffeine first, or what is it? Don't talk to, what's that like stupid saying? Don't talk to me before I have my coffee. I don't know. There's like some poster board thing that like every coffee shop in LA has outside. Just picked up our Starbucks. I got grande iced coffee with soy milk, and the barista was so sweet and she said she watches my videos, so shout out. She's studying music education here, which is really cool. On to the next stop. Yum. One bite, you know the rules. Hey. 8? Are you kidding me? I have never seen someone. Hi, Billy. And Caroline. This is the only full-length mirror we have in the apartment, and it's a fat mirror. Hi. Good morning. Not sure if you spotted this earlier in the video, but my nails were looking ratch, so I just did them. My nails have been so literally healthiest they've ever been in my entire life, and I was wondering why, and then I realized it's because I haven't gotten acrylics or gel or dip, like anything. I've just done regular polish for the past 4 or 5 months, and obviously they're strong now. I don't know why I never put that together, but these are my natural nails, and it's exciting seeing them grow. So now I'm just doing regular polish. Wait, I just realized it matches exactly the bag that I wore. Wait, that's creepy. I'm gonna show you what polish I used. So this is actually from a brand deal that I did with Sally Hansen 2 years ago, my sophomore year. And the consistency is still like perfect. So it's the, I don't know if they still have this or if it was limited edition, but it's Crayola Sally Hansen Insta Dry. And it's in the color Wisteria. Do you guys like these casual college videos, or do you like the more edited Margot classic videos? I feel like I like a good mix of doing a lot of them, so if you guys don't hate this, then I can upload these more often because I don't have to spend like days editing them, and it's just more candid of what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm going to do what I have to do. Okay, I'm gonna start doing my makeup. This is the scene. I can like do a full organization thing, but this mirror is the best. I can link this below. Hi. I used Glossier lid stir, and then in the Moschino Sephora collection palette, there happens to be a shade right there that's like identical. Do you see that? Honestly, mono shade lids, I don't know, I just made that term up, is great for if you don't have much makeup talent like ya girl. Okay, after trying on 55.5 outfits, this is what we came up with. Oh boy. I'm not gonna bring my camera to the tailgate because that's just a recipe for disaster, but I'm just gonna end the video here. I hope you guys loved it, and I hope you got some good back to school outfit ideas with the new UGG sneakers. I will link that pair along with a bunch of other of my favorite UGG products down below if you want to do some back to school shopping. It's never too late. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos. Here is the montage of the rest of my day.
Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it. No, I'm not a role model. Can't help myself, I like myself way more when you're by my side. Just stay the night, it's been a while. You're not like those other guys. If I'm being honest, you're all that I wanted, cause you make me wanna change. I broke a few hearts or two, now I'm gonna get